Hello everyone, this is Alex with BIMitUp. Today I'm going to show you how to create a groove mechanical branch outlet fake in Revit. This is going to be a series. So let's talk about the application of these mechanical branch outlets. These are widely used to come out of your sprinkler main up to your sprinkler branches. So this would be facing upwards, then you would have a rising nipple, and then you would turn right or left depending on where you want to take your branch. Or sometimes contractors tee out of it. Some designers don't like it too much and they still prefer welded outlets, but especially contractors love them because they save them a lot of time. So one of the leading manufacturers for this is Victaulic, and they have the 920 series, which comes in two flavors. You have your mechanical T, which is this one, and then you have your mechanical cross, which is essentially a double T. So in this video, I'm going to illustrate the challenge of using the manufacturer's family. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you how to fake it so you can use something in place of this that is not perfect, but it's an option, to get the job done if you're struggling with it. So I hope this helps you out. Let's get started. Hi everyone, this is Alex with BIMitUp, where we help you with professional training and coaching in mechanical, electrical, plumbing, fire protection systems, and Autodesk platforms like Revit and AutoCAD MEP. Let's get started. Okay, so I went to the Victaulic website and I downloaded this spec sheet for the mechanical T style 920. It includes both the outlet style and the cross style. And I also downloaded the Revit family for both. This one's for the outlet and this one's for the cross. As you can see, those are beautiful families, very aesthetically pleasing, but it can be quite confusing, and I'm going to show you why. Let's create a project, file, new project. Let's use the mechanical template to keep it simple. And let's just draw a pipe. So PI, I'm going to use the standard pipe type. And let's say a 2.5 inch pipe. I'm going to change my detail level to fine. I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to try to load that fitting. So let's start with the T, which is the simplest one. So load into project 5, okay. Let's not try to dump it into the pipe for now. Let's just dump it outside. And the first thing that you notice is that when I click on it, I don't have any connectors available, right? As opposed to, for example, a standard T. Let's go to families, pipe fittings. T generic, let's drop the standard here. See, when you drop a fitting like a T, you have your connectors here, so you can right click, draw pipe, and then start a pipe, right? So the first challenge that we encounter is that if you right click here and you do edit family, you can see that this family is categorized as, if we come here where it says family categories and parameters and click there, that's a pipe fitting, but the part type is categorized as a T, right? So let's close out of here. And now let's compare to this family. If I go back to the original family and I go into family categories and parameters, it's still a pipe fitting, but the part type is defined as a spud perpendicular. See? So, okay, you would think, all right, I'm going to go back to my project and then I'm going to try to use it as a tap. So let's compare the behavior. Let me go back to pipes, pipe types, standard, right click, type properties, and then on my routing preferences, I change from T to tap. And then as junction, I select my Victaulic 920. I'm going to click OK, OK. So let's do another pipe, PI. I'm going to keep my 2.5 inch. I'm going to do it at 8 feet of elevation just because I want to. I'm going to do create similar, and I'm going to change my pipe size to 1.5 inch, and I'm going to try to come down. So that's a little bit more like it. I'm going to delete this, but then you can see that it's not quite what I'm looking for. This was a 2.5 inch line, and then this tap seems to be a lot bigger. Even if I go to 3D, right, let's go to 3D view, you can easily see that that's not what we're after, right? This is huge compared to our pipe. So you could try going back to the family and trying to find out what's going on, but then when you go to your family types, you'll see that all these parameters are all formulas, and you see it's calling for a lookup table, and there's different lookup tables. And then if I go here to manage lookup tables, you see 3 different lookup tables. So as you can see, it can be quite confusing. And imagine, this is just the outlet. If you go to the cross, now you have more parameters because you have 2 branch outlets. So what I'm proposing here is very simple, and I'm going to walk you through it.